Let's race.
You ain't got no money.
Nah, I got my car. And if I win, I take your money and I take your respect.
We got a deal.
Let's race.
Let's race.
Make it break dances, pocket break dances, pocket.
Why are you smiling?
Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me? You didn't even have your car. Now, me and the Mayan scientists gotta break it up, see what you did to it. Granny shifting instead of double clutching like you're supposed to. Come on, you'll be lucky if you didn't blow off the whales on your intake. Almost had me.